I'm Angie Van Ritten. I have Huntington. Please share my campaign.
Picture the perfect red painted ranch house, a long stable with living quarters above it. Cattle, horses, goats and even llamas, on the rolling hills outside of the small California town. Picture Dad, the foreman, watching over everything, including training horses for racing and even working as a farrier. Picture Mom, caring for her 3 girls, and working in the local cannery for extra funds. Picture the middle girl, delighting in the rich and exciting world around her. This is Angie. All the richness of the rural life seeped into Angie, giving her a love for nature and for her family who shared with her this wealth. She especially loved the horses and was delighted when one was named for her, Angie's Willow. Angie attended high school and was active in 4-H. During this time her mother began to have symptoms diagnosed as Huntington's disease. Another blow to Angie's world was her parents' decision to divorce, which meant leaving the ranch. Mom and the 3 girls moved in with their maternal grandmother who lived on a different ranch. Eventually Mom required more care than the family could give, and the reluctant decision was made to move her into a full-time care facility.
Angie continued her education at the University of the Pacific, where she earned her BS in biology. During these days she returned home often to spend time with her mom, and as the disease progressed, Angie's visits increased. Mom died in 2005, and then, suddenly, 3 months later her beloved dad suffered a heart attack and was gone as well. Angie substituted in grade school classes in several small towns until she was offered a 2nd grade class at Standiford School in Modesto, California. She successfully and enthusiastically taught for 12 years until the beginning signs of Huntington's disease became evident in her walk and handwriting. She was forced to retire after her diagnosis at University of California, Davis in February of 2014. For a number of years Angie's life has included Ed Estrada, who has been her constant companion. Her diagnosis did nothing to deter him, but instead made Ed even more determined to be with Angie and to make her life as comfortable as possible. They married in 2014 and he is now her full-time caregiver.